Have you ever wondered what makes each country's traditional dish so special? Well, you're in for a treat because today, we're diving into the heart and soul of cuisines from around the world. Today, we're embarking on a global gastronomic adventure like no other. I will show you the best 100 dishes from the countries around the globe. So subscribe and let's begin. Peking duck has been a Chinese delicacy since the imperial era, with a history of over 600 years. Despite its association with Indian cuisine, chicken tikka masala is believed to have originated in the United Kingdom. The hamburger is an iconic American food, and the modern version is said to have originated at Lewis's Lunch in New Haven, Connecticut, in 1900. Nasi goreng is considered the national dish of Indonesia, showcasing the country's diverse flavors and culinary influences. Biryani is a flavorful and aromatic rice dish that has roots in the Indian subcontinent and is immensely popular in Pakistan. Feijoada is a traditional Brazilian black bean stew, often considered the national dish, featuring various pork and beef cuts. Jollof rice is a popular West African dish, and the debate over which country makes the best jollof is a hot topic among food enthusiasts. Bapa ilish, a dish featuring hilsa fish, is considered a delicacy in Bangladesh, and its preparation involves marinating and steaming. Beef stroganoff has Russian origins and gained international popularity as a rich and creamy beef dish. Tacos, with various fillings, are a staple of Mexican street food, reflecting the country's vibrant and diverse culinary scene. Sushi, featuring vinegared rice and various ingredients like raw or cooked seafood, originated in Japan and has become a global culinary phenomenon. Wiener Schnitzel, a breaded and deep-fried veal or pork cutlet, is a traditional German dish and a classic in Austrian cuisine. Koshari is a popular Egyptian street food dish made with rice, lentils, macaroni, and topped with a spicy tomato sauce and fried onions. Pho is a Vietnamese noodle soup, typically consisting of broth, rice noodles, herbs, and either beef, pho bo, or chicken, pho ga. Kimchi, fermented vegetables, usually cabbage or radishes, with chili pepper and other seasonings, is a staple in Korean cuisine and comes in various types. Coq au vin is a classic French dish where chicken is braised with red wine, mushrooms, and onions, resulting in a rich and flavorful stew. Turkish kebabs, featuring grilled or skewered meat, are a well-known and cherished part of Turkish cuisine, with variations like shish kebab and doner kebab. Asado is a traditional Argentine barbecue, where beef is cooked on a grill or open flame, often in a social gathering setting. Pad Thai is a popular Thai stir-fried noodle dish, known for its sweet, sour, and savory flavors, often garnished with peanuts and lime. Risotto is an Italian rice dish cooked to a creamy consistency, often flavored with broth and ingredients such as mushrooms, saffron, or seafood. Moussaka is a layered casserole dish made with eggplant, minced meat, usually lamb, and a rich bechamel sauce, and it's a staple in Greek cuisine. Tagine refers to both the slow-cooked stew and the earthenware pot in which it is cooked. It often includes a mix of meats, vegetables, and aromatic spices. Ceviche is a popular Peruvian dish made from fresh raw fish cured in citrus juices, typically with onions, chili peppers, and cilantro. The meat pie is a classic Australian comfort food, often filled with minced meat and gravy, encased in a flaky pastry crust. Gorma sabzi is a Persian herb stew, typically made with lamb or beef, and features a mix of fresh herbs, kidney beans, and dried lime. Bobatai is a spiced, baked minced meat dish topped with an egg-based mixture, and it is a popular dish in South African cuisine. Paella is a Valencian rice dish that often includes a variety of ingredients such as seafood, chicken, rabbit, and a mix of beans and vegetables. Falafel is a deep-fried ball or patty made from ground chickpeas, fava beans, or both. It is a popular Middle Eastern street food. Adobo is a Filipino dish where meat, usually pork or chicken, is marinated and simmered in a mixture of soy sauce, vinegar, garlic, and spices. Swedish meatballs, or köttbullar, are a traditional Swedish dish often served with lingonberry sauce and creamy mashed potatoes. Doro wat is a spicy chicken stew considered the national dish of Ethiopia, often served with injera, a sourdough flatbread. Poutine is a Canadian dish consisting of fries topped with cheese curds and smothered in gravy, creating a delicious and indulgent comfort food. Fesenjan is a Persian stew made with pomegranate paste, ground walnuts, and poultry, often duck or chicken, creating a sweet and savory flavor profile. Irish stew is a traditional dish made with lamb or mutton, potatoes, onions, and carrots, simmered to perfection in a hearty broth. Nasi lemak is a Malaysian dish featuring fragrant rice cooked in coconut milk, served with anchovies, peanuts, boiled eggs, and sambal. Ropa vieja, meaning old clothes in Spanish, is a Cuban dish made with shredded beef in a savory tomato-based sauce. Couscous is a staple in Algerian cuisine, often served with meat and vegetables, and holds cultural significance in North African countries. Bibimbap is a Korean rice dish topped with various vegetables, a fried egg, and usually, some form of protein, all mixed together with spicy gochujang sauce. Spichkova is a Czech dish featuring marinated sirloin served with a creamy sauce, cranberry sauce, and dumplings. Empanadas are savory pastries filled with meat, cheese, or vegetables, and they are a popular snack in many Latin American countries, including Argentina. Stroopwafels are Dutch syrup-filled waffle cookies, often enjoyed with a hot cup of coffee or tea. Shakshuka is a popular Middle Eastern and North African dish featuring poached eggs in a simmering tomato and chili pepper sauce. Tom Yum Goong is a spicy and sour Thai soup, often made with shrimp, mushrooms, lemongrass, and chili peppers. Jerk chicken is a Jamaican dish known for its spicy and flavorful marinade, typically featuring Scotch bonnet peppers and various spices. Pierogi are Polish dumplings filled with a variety of ingredients, such as potatoes, cheese, meat, or fruit, and can be boiled or fried. Kashk-e-bademyan is an Iranian appetizer made with eggplant, garlic, and kashk, a fermented whey product, often served with bread. Waakai is a Ghanaian dish made with rice and sorghum, typically served with a spicy sauce, fish, and other accompaniments. Butter tarts are a classic Canadian dessert featuring a sweet filling made with butter, sugar, and eggs, often with the addition of pecans or raisins. Dolma consists of grape leaves stuffed with a mixture of rice, pine nuts, and spices, and it is a common dish in Iraqi and Middle Eastern cuisines. Thiboudien is the national dish of Senegal, a flavorful fish and rice stew, often prepared with vegetables and various spices. Moros y Cristianos is a traditional Cuban dish of black beans and rice, reflecting the influence of African and Spanish culinary traditions. Boos are Mongolian dumplings filled with minced meat, typically beef or mutton, and they are a staple during Mongolian Lunar New Year celebrations. Laksa is a spicy noodle soup popular in Malaysian and Peranakan cuisine, often made with coconut milk, seafood, and various herbs and spices. Gravlax is a Norwegian dish of thinly sliced cured salmon, traditionally served with mustard sauce and bread. Pepian is a traditional Guatemalan stew, featuring a rich sauce made from roasted seeds, spices, and often accompanied by meat and vegetables. Tiramisu is a popular Italian dessert made with layers of coffee-soaked ladyfingers and mascarpone cheese, dusted with cocoa powder. Nyama choma, meaning roasted meat, in Swahili, is a Kenyan dish of grilled meat, often served with a side of vegetables and sauces. Amuk is a traditional Cambodian dish featuring a coconut milk and curry-based stew, typically made with fish and served in banana leaves. Bandeja paisa is a hearty Colombian dish that includes rice, beans, ground meat, plantains, avocado, and a fried egg. Hakarl is a traditional Icelandic dish of fermented shark meat, known for its strong ammonia-like smell and acquired taste. Kibbeh is a Levantine dish made of finely ground meat, usually lamb or beef, bulgur, and spices, often shaped into balls or patties. Brigadeiro is a popular Brazilian sweet, made with condensed milk, cocoa powder, butter, and chocolate sprinkles, often rolled into bite-sized balls. Som tum is a Thai green papaya salad, known for its spicy, sweet, and sour flavors, often containing ingredients like lime, chili, and fish sauce. Injera is a sourdough flatbread and a staple in Ethiopian cuisine, often used as a base for various stews and dishes. Khachapuri is a traditional Georgian dish, a bread filled with cheese, eggs, and other ingredients, and it comes in various regional styles. Kabsa is a traditional Saudi Arabian dish, a spiced rice dish with meat, often chicken, lamb, or goat, and it's considered the national dish. Chiles en nogada is a Mexican dish featuring poblano peppers stuffed with a mixture of meat and fruits, topped with a walnut-based cream sauce. Banh mi is a Vietnamese sandwich, typically filled with a variety of ingredients such as pork, pate, vegetables, and mayonnaise, served in a baguette. Haggis is a traditional Scottish dish made from minced sheep's heart, liver, and lungs, mixed with oats, onions, and spices, often encased in the sheep's stomach. Rogan Josh is a flavorful Indian curry, often made with tender meat, such as lamb or goat, cooked in a rich blend of spices and yogurt. Locro is a hearty Argentine stew made with corn, beans, potatoes, and various meats, often enjoyed during national holidays. Ratatouille is a Provençal vegetable stew that originated in Nice, France, featuring ingredients like zucchini, eggplant, and bell peppers. Hot pot is a popular Chinese cooking method where diners cook a variety of raw ingredients in a simmering pot of broth at the table. Mole poblano is a complex Mexican sauce made with chili peppers, chocolate, and various spices, often served with poultry. Mazgoof is a traditional Iraqi dish featuring grilled fish, usually carp, seasoned with olive oil, tamarind, and Iraqi spices. Osso buco is an Italian dish made with braised veal shanks, cooked with white wine, broth, and vegetables, often served with gremolata. Pastilla is a Moroccan pie with layers of thin dough, filled with pigeon or chicken, almonds, and spices, topped with powdered sugar. Sinigang is a Filipino sour soup made with tamarind, various vegetables, and meat, creating a flavorful and comforting dish. Iskender kebab is a Turkish dish featuring thinly sliced doner meat over pieces of pita bread, topped with tomato sauce and yogurt. Massaman curry is a Thai curry known for its rich and flavorful blend of coconut milk, roasted peanuts, potatoes, and tender meat. Bunny chow is a South African fast food dish that originated in the Indian community, consisting of a hollowed-out loaf of bread filled with curry. Olivier salad, also known as Russian salad, is a traditional Russian dish made with potatoes, vegetables, and mayonnaise, often served during holidays. Okonomiyaki is a Japanese savory pancake, often made with flour, eggs, shredded cabbage, and a variety of toppings, like pork or seafood. Bacalhau à Brás is a Portuguese dish made with salted cod, onions, potatoes, and eggs, creating a flavorful and comforting meal. Zarish polo is an Iranian dish of saffron-infused rice with barberries, often served with chicken or lamb, showcasing Persian flavors. Lechon is a Filipino dish of roasted whole pig, often prepared for special occasions, known for its crispy skin and succulent meat. Fada is an Egyptian dish made with rice, bread, and meat, often served during celebrations or religious holidays. Caza is a Peruvian dish made with layers of mashed potatoes mixed with lime and chili, and filled with various ingredients like avocado, chicken, or seafood. Suya is a popular Nigerian street food, featuring grilled and spicy skewered meat, often served with sliced onions and tomatoes. Manouche is a Lebanese flatbread topped with a variety of ingredients, such as za'atar, cheese, or ground meat, and is often enjoyed for breakfast. Mamaliga is a traditional Romanian dish, a type of cornmeal porridge that can be served as a side dish or on its own, often accompanied by cheese, sour cream, or meat. Gaima is an Iranian stew made with meat, split peas, tomatoes, and dried lime, flavored with a blend of spices, and often served with rice. Char kway teow is a popular Malaysian stir-fried noodle dish, often made with flat rice noodles, prawns, Chinese sausage, and bean sprouts. Smorgasbord is a Swedish buffet-style meal featuring a variety of cold and hot dishes, such as herring, cured salmon, and meatballs. Harira is a traditional Moroccan soup, often consumed during Ramadan, made with tomatoes, lentils, chickpeas, and a blend of spices. Bon exio is a Vietnamese savory crepe filled with shrimp, pork, bean sprouts, and herbs, often served with a side of fish sauce. Humita enchala is an Argentine dish made with a filling of grated corn, sautéed onions, cheese, and spices, wrapped in corn husks and steamed. Souvlaki is a Greek dish featuring small skewers of grilled meat, often served with pita bread, tomatoes, onions, and a yogurt-based sauce. Dosa is a South Indian fermented crepe made from rice and urad dal batter, usually served with various chutneys and sambar. Acarajé is a Brazilian street food made with deep-fried balls of black-eyed pea dough, filled with shrimp, vatapa, a rich, spicy mixture, and caruru, okra stew. Remember to subscribe for more tasty tales. Until next time, keep savoring the past, one delicious bite at a time.